Welcome to your first step toward financial mastery. Imagine a life where money is not a source of stress, but a tool that works for you. Today, you're going to learn how to manage your money like a pro, using simple exercises that are easier than sit-ups. Let's dive right into what you can expect from this session. Throughout this journey, you'll uncover valuable insights and strategies that will reshape your relationship with money. By the end, you'll have a straightforward plan to take control of your finances, avoid common pitfalls, and set the foundation for financial success. First, let's discuss the importance of setting clear financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or investing for retirement. Write down your goals. Visualizing them makes them feel more tangible. Next, create a budget. A budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Start by listing your income sources and expenses. Categorize them into needs and wants. Aim to spend less than you earn. This is crucial. Consider tools and apps that help track your spending to make it more manageable. Now, let's talk savings. Pay yourself first by setting aside a portion of your income in a savings account each month. Understand the magic of compound interest and watch your savings grow over time. This is where real financial growth happens. However, it's not all smooth sailing. One common mistake is failing to review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Another pitfall is neglecting to build an emergency fund. This fund acts as your safety net during unexpected events. Finally, don't shy away from seeking advice from financial professionals. They can guide you in the right direction. Now here's your call to action. Start today. Write down your financial goals, create that budget, and set up your savings account. Remember, every small step you take leads you closer to financial independence. You've got this, and the journey begins now.